what I'm showing you, or what we are showing you now, is our homemade natural deodorant. And as I said, it's really hot. I'm not sweating. Of course I'm sweating, but there's no odor, right? So our natural deodorant, I still have the blackberry in my mouth, is a gentler alternative for your underarms or the armpits. Natural deodorants triggers body odor using natural organic ingredients to eliminate the odor. And the odor is this what causes you bacteria. When it's getting red there or when it's really stinky, then that's a sign of bacteria. Our ingredients, as you can see here, we have, and I give you the exact measurement if you want to do it at home. We have here organic virgin coconut oil here. Then we have beeswax here, of course organic. And then I have organic arrowroot powder. And we have here aluminium-free, and this is very important, aluminium-free baking soda. And I have some magnesium oxide powder. What you are doing, or what we are doing now together, this is a double boiler, I guess, a double broiler, I don't know. So, and we put, the measurements, you don't need a scale. You can take the 1/4 cup, and then you need the little one with 1 tablespoon. But as I said, I give you the measurements if you want to do it on your own later on. So first of all, we put in the coconut oil. Everything has to be melted together with the beeswax. And it's really hot here. Make sure you get everything together. So, and first of them, I will get these 2 waxes melted before I put in the other ingredients. It takes a moment. And you can also use, a normal pot, and you put, for example, such a jar in there. But I always use this kind, and it's handy for me. But as I said, you can always use this here, right? So, as I said, the ingredients, if you want to write it down, we have 1/4 of a cup of the organic coconut oil. We have 1/4 of a cup of the beeswax, and these 2 ingredients are right now melting together. Then we need the 1/4 cup of arrowroot powder. All right, and 1/4 of a cup aluminium-free baking soda, and also 1/8 of a cup, which is 2 tablespoons of magnesium oxide.